I have my rapeseed oil, so I'm going to be putting just a little. You see how small it is, so I'm not putting much. My oil is hot now, so I just reduce the fire. I have bell pepper and onions here, so I'm going to be putting it inside. I have my crayfish. I have 2 longino. At this point, I have my water, so which I will be putting inside. I have bell pepper been chopped. I have this mackerel fillet, which I'm going to be using. That's my mackerel fillet, which I'm going to put inside. At this point, I have my spinach, so I'm going to be adding my spinach now. I'm going to be adding water. I have my aromatic seasoning, so I'm going to be adding it instead of salt. So I'm going to cover it for it to cook, for the spinach to cook. Now it's time to check my spinach stew. Right. So it's time to put my fish. So I have red bean fish. I did not fry the fish, I grilled it. You see, I didn't use too much oil, so it's just water in there. Because of the fish I just put inside, so I'm going to cover it again and leave it for 15 minutes. My spinach sauce is ready now, so it's 15 minutes. So I'm going to be turning off the fire now. In case you've seen this, that's just water that comes out from the sauce, so it's not oil, because you saw me when I was putting just little oil on it, so it's just water. That is how I prepared it. See you on my next food. Bye bye.